Lemko Language Lessons, Lesson 12 Supplemental, Demonstrative Pronouns, Adjectives, and Possessive Pronouns in the Locative Case. Here's some extra information related to Lesson 12, Locative Case. Demonstrative Pronouns in the Locative Case. Tot, meaning this for masculine nouns, becomes tum. Tota, meaning this for feminine nouns, becomes te. Toto, meaning this for neuter nouns, becomes tum. Tota, meaning these, becomes tuch. Tamtot, meaning that for masculine nouns, becomes tamtum. Tamta, meaning that for feminine nouns, becomes tamte. Tamta, meaning that for neuter nouns, becomes tamtum. Tamta, meaning those, becomes tamtuch. Ta, meaning this, that, or it, becomes tum. Adjectives in the locative case. Now we will go over adjective endings in the locative case of 4 adjectives we've learned in a previous lesson: hardej, dobrej, syniej, and tychej. Let's begin. Hardem, hardziej, hardem, hardach, dobrem, dobrej, dobrem, dobrych, synim, syniej, synim, synich, tychem, tychej, tychem, tychach. Note, for adjectives whose final consonant before the ending is zh, sh, ch, s, r, or l, the feminine locative ending is a, not e. For example, mudra žena, meaning smart wife, becomes mudrý žení. Possessive pronouns in the locative case. Let's learn how to say the different possessive pronouns in the locative case. First, we will start with the masculine. My is moim. Your singular is twoim. His is yoho. Her is yea. Its is yoho. Our is nasham. Your plural or your formal is vasham. There is ich. Next, let's go on to the feminine. My is moi. Your singular is tvoi. His is yoho. Her is yea. Its is yoho. Our is naszej, naszej. Your plural or your formal is waszej, waszej. There is ich, ich. Next, let's go on to neuter. My is moim, moim. Your singular is twoim, twoim. His is yoho, yoho. Her is yea, yea. Its is yoho, yoho. Our is naszym, naszym. Your plural or your formal is waszym, waszym. There is ich, ich. Lastly, let's move on to plural. My is moich, moich. Your singular is twoich, twoich. His is yoho, yoho. Her is yea, yea. Its is yoho, yoho. Our is naszych, naszych. Your plural or your formal is waszych, waszych. There is ich, ich. Notice that for his, her, its, and their, the possessive pronoun does not change in the locative case. This concludes Lesson 12, Supplemental.